P-traps prevent sewer gases and negative pressure backflow from entering an HVAC condensate line while maintaining a reliable water seal that stops air from being drawn through the drain. A condensate P-trap is a U-shaped pipe segment installed in the condensate drain line beneath the evaporator coil or drain pan to retain a small, consistent volume of water that acts as an airtight barrier. Many forced air cooling and heat pump systems produce condensate that must be removed. Without a trap, the system can develop negative pressure zones that draw air through the drain opening, compromising airflow and allowing odors or contaminated air into the system. A properly sized P-trap should match the drain piping diameter and be located close to the drain pan outlet with a maximum trap arm length in accordance with the system manufacturer or plumbing code to avoid siphoning. If the trap arm is too long or pitched incorrectly, the trap can self-siphon and fail. Install a trap primer or ensure periodic water flow to prevent the trap from drying in low-use seasons. Trapped dry conditions allow sewer gases or pressure differentials to pass. When testing, block the downstream outlet briefly to observe suction at the pan outlet, then remove the blockage to verify the trap holds water and prevents retraction of water into the unit under negative pressure. Routine maintenance includes clearing algae and debris with a mild bleach solution and flushing the drain to preserve flow and maintain the water seal. Common issues include trap siphoning when the trap arm is too long or improperly sloped. Solution: shorten the trap arm to code distances and maintain proper level and pitch. Another frequent problem is trap drying during extended off seasons, permitting negative pressure backflow. Solution: install a trap primer, schedule periodic condensate runs, or pour a small amount of water into the trap monthly. Clogging from biofilm and debris can cause overflow or reduced condensate removal. Solution: clean the drain pan and trap with an appropriate disinfectant. Use an access cleanout and consider a trap in line with a removable cleanout fitting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with HVAC, condensate, and drainage work and provides guidance on common installations such as P-traps. Contractors can list services and receive leads for condensate trap installation, maintenance, and related plumbing work.